This powerful drink will improve your overall health and also help you to lose weight quickly and naturally in few weeks. I never thought I would lose 20 kilograms in just few weeks. Until I tried this crazy lemon trick. Get this. You will need 5 lemons, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 liters of water, stove, 1 pot. Do this. Wash the lemons well. Cut them in half and squeeze them in bowl. Don't throw the used lemons in the end as you are going to need them later. Cut ginger into strips. Peel the garlic cloves. Add garlic, ginger and lemon juice into the blender. Blending. Mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Boil 2 liters of water. Add some lime if you like. And add the previously saved squeezed lemons. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Add the mixture from the blender and simmer everything for a couple of minutes. Finally, we extract the lemons and let it cool. Pour it in a glass jar and close it tight. After you wake up, consume a cup of this miracle drink on an empty stomach daily. In a few days the results will be visible and you will be surprised by the results.